Amber Alert.
This is the North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Durham Police Department has attempted to locate Anita Hooper. Anita Hooper is a 16-year-old black female, approximately 4 feet 5 inches tall, weighing 100 pounds with brown hair and brown eyes. Anita Hooper was last seen wearing a blonde bonnet, orange basketball jersey, and gray shorts. She was last seen at 1802 Andrew Avenue bus stop in Durham. She was abducted by 3 black males wearing masks in an unknown make blue truck. This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction.